Many believe that snoring is exclusive to those with larger body types, but this is a widespread myth. In reality, individuals of all sizes, including those with slender frames, can experience snoring. Another misconception is that snorers enjoy a peaceful night's sleep. The truth is, snoring often disrupts sleep quality, preventing individuals from reaching the vital REM state. Instead, the brain may repeatedly wake them up to breathe, leaving them feeling fatigued and unrested. Hello, my name is Amor Joy. I experience loud snoring and have observed that I rarely dream during these episodes. Interestingly, I also have a petite physique. This aligns with the understanding that I do not reach the REM stage of sleep where dreaming occurs.